my 1990 Mazda Miata.
오버젤러스 브레인의 트루 버라이어티.
How you doing, everybody? This is Chris here from the Rocket Fools. This is my 1990 Mazda Miata. It's white. It's got 240,000 miles. I bought it about last summer because I had a other Miata that was really rusty. It was white also, and I fell in love with it. So I upgraded to this one. It has all the power options. As you can see, it's got the power steering. It's got the AC. It has power windows. It's got the power windows. It's got the NB seats. It's got a Sparco steering wheel. Got my side mirrors here. We have, thanks to Super Miata, we have these Wellwood, this brake kit, this small big brake kit. This is for a 15-inch rim. These are 15-inch rims on here. Also have this Wellwood master cylinder brace from V8 Roadster. This is a cheap eBay filter with the heat shield that I built myself, crudely welded together with some tape on the back of it. And got some basic stuff like a tow hook, ISR exhaust. Oh, all right. And Racing Beat sway bars. Racing Beat sway bars. Front and back. Today I gotta put a gasket on the headers to the exhaust. The headers are a 2-inch header. The exhaust is a 2.5-inch exhaust. So the bolts keep on coming undone, and I just keep on putting new gaskets on it and resealing it, because there's another project, there's something that's going to go right here that we will show you in a bit. But as for right now, we're going to go ahead and put that that gasket on so I have no exhaust leaks, because I'm taking this sucker to Ohio for a race day with my good buddy from Ohio. He's going to be racing a Mid-Ohio racetrack where I'm going to film every bit of it. It's going to be my own little adventure. And also, we're going to be in a small car, like car club rollout as they call it, where we're going to meet up and show off each other's cars, and then we're going to go for a drive. They're all MR2s, turbo MR2s, but I'm going to bring my Miata. They all know me, so they're not going to mind. Usually, you don't have to jack it up so high. Get skinny little Christmas.
30 seconds crazy, but I call him up, bro. Oh, look.
Now I'm going to have to jack it up higher. I can be over there. As you can see, it was loose already. Does this even have, nope. This don't even have a bolt on it.
No.
Shit, I gotta find one.
Here, I'll go look one. I can see if we have one.
So it fits this one. Like 3 more twists. Alright, now that you've seen the car, let's go check out the future project for the car. Alright, so now to show you the new Miata parts that we got in. First of all,
It's coming for the show.
aluminum radiator.
Nice, nice.
All these parts were bought on eBay. This is a cheap, well, let's just say cheap, but this is a low budget car build for horsepower. We're only going for 200, 220 horsepower. That's all that my 1.6 viscous differential can hold anyways, the limited slip differential, and the 5-speed transmission. So we're gonna have a goal for just around that horsepower. Here's the radiator hoses, the hose kit. All right, we got some motor mounts. Innovative.
What do you think about those motor mounts? What do you think about the motor mounts? Is that churro approved?
We got a fuel pump. It's for creating, more horsepower. RX-8 fuel injectors. This should be plug and play. Return line, oil return line. Made in China, of course. The brains of the operation. Speedy EFI ECU. This is a very affordable unit. I mean, I can't suggest it to anybody right now because I haven't used it, but as far as it's definitely affordable. Check out their website.
What do you think? What do you think?
What's the beer think?
Mayor, what do you think, bro?
Dual boost performance coolant reroute kit.
Oh shit. Show me the Volvo stand.
Coolant reroute kit. Very nice piece. Intercooler piping, 2.5 inch. Couplers, blue, because that's cool. Blue couplers for the intake and the turbo, and red hoses for the coolant.
That's really cool.
Clamps. Small front mount intercooler.
Show us the exhaust tube.
Not least, but
I know, yeah,
Well, this is the exhaust. This is a stainless steel, 2.5 inch exhaust tubing. I do have a downpipe on the way, a 90-degree bend. I'm not sure if it's gonna work, but I know we can do pie cuts with this and bend it up as much as we want. And we're gonna have to do some fabrication on this one. This is not just a plug and play kit like I usually buy. The cheapest or the least expensive plug and play kit I could find was about $2,200. This I actually put together for about $800. So yeah, we're doing a little bit of fabrication. Alright, last, the turbo. Turbo exhaust manifold, max peating rods. This is a T3, T4 type turbo. I know it's a little big, but I honestly just want something to get me inside the door. As far as boost goes and performance, something that's gonna be fun right now, and most of all, cost effective. So the turbo was very inexpensive, and I got a warranty on it, so that's great. Okay, so yeah, so basically we're gonna be turboing the Miata and upgrading all the other systems around it to help the function, keep it cool. And yeah, I will be racing with my buddy in Ohio, like I was saying earlier. And don't forget to watch that video coming up next. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check us out. And peace.